Okay, so in this video, we're going to have a look at annuities. I'm going to show you how to use Google Spreadsheet to calculate the end amount after a certain amount of weeks when you already have money in the bank account or in the super account before you start putting an annuity in, a certain amount every regular period. Unfortunately, you can't do that with this. Okay, you can only use this when you have when you use an annuity and you don't have money in the account already. So you just start with $0, and at the end of each month or year or fortnight, whatever, you're putting the same amount in at a certain interest rate. So if you already have money, we need to do this. We need to create this table. Payment number, payment receipt, interest earned, principal increase, balance of annuity. And here's an example. On the day that Jake and Amy got married, they had combined savings of $130,000. They decided to each deposit $400 of their weekly pay into their joint account, which has an interest rate of 5.2% per annum, compounded weekly. Determine how much money will be in their account after 10 weeks. So what we need it to do is determine how many weeks we need. We need 10 weeks. So I'm going to go from 0 to 10. If you have more than 10 periods, then this is a shortcut you can use. Type 0 and 1. Drag your mouse to the bottom right hand corner until you see that plus sign. Click and drag down until you get the number you need. So I need up to 10. Okay. We know that at time 0, no payment, no interest is earned, but we know that at the end of time 0, there is $130,000. Here it says that they decided to each deposit $400 of their weekly pay. That means in total, they're putting $800. We know that they're going to pay $800 at the end of each week. So after I typed in that 800, I'm going to use my mouse, bottom right hand corner, plus sign, click, drag down, so that I see that at the end of each week, they're paying $800. To determine the interest earned, the interest is based on how much money is in the annuity, okay, or in the bank account. So balance of annuity. Because it's 5.2% per annum compounded weekly, I need to work out what that is per week. So if I were to do equals 5.2% divided by 52 is 0.001. So the interest earned is 0.001 of, which means times. So I have to press Shift 8 of this. Sorry, I need to press equals here. Equals 0.001 times E3. Okay, do not type 130,000. Click on that cell. Press enter. So after the first period, they will earn $130 of interest after the first week. That means in total, their principal increase is 800 plus 130. Do not type 800 plus 130. Click on the actual cells. B4 plus C4 in this case. So therefore, if it's increased by $930, so the amount of money they have in the bank account now is E3 plus D4. 130,000 plus 930 is $130,930. We don't have to keep doing this every single time. There is a shortcut. Now that we've done this, we can click and drag, highlight all that. Bottom right hand corner again, click the arrow, drag down, and it will auto populate for you. Now we see that, we're dealing with money, we only want 2 decimal places. So I'm just going to click on decrease decimal places until I have 2 decimal places. And that's pretty much it. So to answer this question, how much money will be in their bank account after 10 weeks? There will be $139,341.96. If we want to calculate how much interest they earned altogether, we can add this entire column, the interest earned column. Just type equals the sum. We want the sum of all of those numbers. Enter. That means in the 10 weeks, Jake and Amy earned $1,341.96 in interest. Okay? And that's pretty much it.